Oh, I'm here to inspect the property for sale.
Which property?
This place.
Which property? Yeah? I will not allow any useless impostor to sell my inheritance. My father's shop will not be sold. Did you hear me? Kweba.
What are you talking about?
AJ, don't worry. You see her.
Okay.
She's actually a mad woman.
Oh,
you know, during rainy season like this, it comes. The condition is so bad, you know. So.
Oh, I see.
You mean I am a son of a mad woman?
Kweba. Azuka!
What's going on here?
Kweba! Azuka! Look at.
Don't worry, Auntie, I'm taking him to the school now because he's afraid to go there. Madam, so you have to advise your principal that by the time I start with him, that school will not contain us. Tell them what happened between me and you. We are not to touch this boy.
Madam, I don't have strength and I don't have your time now. Please, come to the school. I need the headmaster. I don't have strength. Please.
Mommy, I'm not talking about the teacher. I'm talking about the headmaster.
Don't worry. Hey, Auntie.
I don't want to go to school alone.
But I follow you down there. Let me see the person that will beat you. The person will kill me.
When you see her grace, you will never be the same.
I'm waiting for them. I am waiting for them and they should come.
Azuka, calm down. Calm down. Oh.
I will not calm down, Mama. I will not calm down. They should come and collect my shop from me. They should come.
Calm down. They won't do anything. Only God knows what I did to these men in this village. Eh? They will not mind their business.
I'll sit down and I'll be clapping for them. They should come and take my shop from me.
I'll go.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon, Mom. You are back.
Thank God you are back. They are planned in secret. They want to collect our shop from us. Yes!
Who is that?
Yes!
Come here.
Yes!
Here! Agu! Come, just come.
My
Just come.
head is
Azuka! You not do anything to anybody in this way. Just wait.
Gaga! My son, they want to take our shop. Gaga!
You should gaga.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.